Well, howdy, tubers. Well, we'll give a shot at what I've gotten done or started or whatever. So let's get into it. Well, tubers, I have put in the nylon pushrod guides. Of course, I use solid rivets. I like that. But I am putting on these little angle braces. Now you have to bend them, but no big deal. And then it says you can put them on the inside or outside. So I'm going to the inside. Okay, you can see. But of course, you won't be able to get, at least on bulkhead E, you won't be able to get the drill in there very good. So I come up with using the roper punch, which I used it a lot on my Ultra Cruiser and H5. Just really, because you could, of course, I used the 3/32 one. This is the 1/8 inch. But you just get right in there and punch that hole. If I can get it in there and you in there. There we go. And Clico. And let's see, another thing I'll show you that I did was on this lower stringer. That's where the front of the tail wheel goes in. Those little holes are, of course, to hold the nut plate. But these go plumb through. Uh-oh. Show you this. Oh, they don't go through there. So I guess I was thinking where that at? Right here. Okay. I was thinking that those had the little 3/32 holes. So I guess I can go ahead and I think I just countersink that and then go ahead and put that nut plate in there. But I put this on there with some, I don't know if they'll show up or not, with some 1/16 countersunk rivets just to hold this in place until you get it in there. And I got just about 15 minutes ago, I got this in the mail. It's a drill powered rivet gun. So for $18, got it off of eBay. I don't do that Amazon, but got it off of eBay, free shipping. And I tried it once because I didn't want to waste a bunch of the AVEX rivets, but hey, quite a deal compared if you guys don't have a air compressor and all that to run this rivet gun. Now I'm not saying that that'll get into every place, or this will get into every place either, but it's sure an option and easier to do than squeezing all your rivets with that, guarantee you. So what else do I want to show you that I I took that with the point, if that shows up, with the point, I guess you'd say up, and went, can you see that? Yeah. And went around here, pushing this down on the ground, and went around there and marked that, so that when you what a mess. When you slip that inside there, oh shoot. When you slip this inside the fuselage, you line the red line up with these holes. And now you might try you guys' Harbor Freight. Of course, I got these like 10 years ago when I built the Ultra Cruiser. Went in there and I bought one of these, and they said, I think they said $19 on it. And so I went up front. She goes, that'll be 42 cents. I said, they said $19. She said, well, we're trying to get rid of them or something. So I went back and got another one, and then went back the next day and got like 4 or 5 of them. So I don't know if they're still available or not. The item number is 44060. And like I say, I bought, well, this one's marked 3/32, and I marked a 3/16 one. I don't know if I got you in there or not. And a 1/4 inch one, so you don't have to keep changing the dies all around. Now this one here is a regular, I don't know who makes it one. There we go. I don't know who makes this one, but it doesn't look, or it looks a lot like the Harbor Freight one, but, well, I guess it looks just like a Harbor Freight one. Okay, I thought it looked a lot different. But anyways, and sometimes you'll need to modify them, like grind on the front so you can get into something a little more. So, but I sure like using them, because then you just punch a clean round hole, unlike a drill bit. It's not really a round hole, what they say, but you save drill bits, and plus you save on shavings everywhere. You just got little punch marks everywhere, but they don't stick in your finger like the shavings do. So anyways, that's what I've got going now, and I don't know how. Oh, let me show you this real quick. Got the brackets all installed. Those are for the rudder hinge. And of course, no rivets on the side. So, we're getting somewhere. So don't want to get this too long. Oh no, already 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes. So, there you go, folks, and God bless.